How to use TradeStation Simulator. TradeStation's Trading Simulator can help you learn our order entry technology and practice your trading skills whether you're using the desktop, web, or mobile platform. On the desktop, click the Simulated Trading button after entering your username and password to log in. Ready in your live trading account? A double click on the connection indicators at the bottom right corner lets you disconnect. Double-click again, enter your credentials, and select Simulated Trading to start paper trading. For web trading users, a single click on the sign-in button on TradeStation.com displays the login button for Web Trading Simulator. If connected to your live trading account, click the Live button at the top right and select Simulated Trading to switch environments. That's it. Thanks for watching.